Now see next program on multi-level list. For that, here we have doc type HTML tag, head tag, title tag, multi-level list slash title slash head, then body tag, use UL tag. Here first list item, structured programming language /li. Now see, this structured programming language is again divided into further types. For that, we have to use another type of list. So here we are taking OL list item algol /li. Next list item C programming /li. Okay, then /ol. Here this structured programming having list that will be completed. Then the control comes again to the parent list, then enter list item of this parent list which contains object oriented programming language. Okay, then /li. Here this one is also having different types, so use one more list type. Here we are using unordered list having style attribute, list style type colon circle. Okay, then include here list item C++ /li, then li Java. Okay, /li, then /ul. Again the control comes to the parent list li. Here we have scripting programming language or just a scripting language. Okay, /li. It contains one more list. Here you can say ul style attribute equal to style list style type colon square. Okay, then list item HTML /li Java script /li/ul. Here this listing is also end, and the control comes again to the parent list which will also end here, then /body /html. Okay, So here this multi-level list program ends. Save this program as multi-level dot html. Okay, then run this program. For that, select this program from the desktop location here, this multi-level, and run. We get the output here. So see, first when we are using this UL, we get the disk. Okay, because of this LI, structured programming language, here for the first list item disk appears and the list item contains structured programming language. Yes, then it is divided into two types. Therefore the new listing is used into parent list, which is called as order list. Therefore the order list showing us the first listing item Algol, number 1 Algol. Here C programming, number 2 C programming. Now see, this comes as a 1 or 2, 1 and 2, because OL do not have the type like this UL. This UL comes into disk, same way OL will come into number. Then again we see the list item which is of this parent unordered list having value object oriented programming language. So this will come with disk object oriented programming language, and it is again divided into further two types having this style type circle. So C++ and Java will come into circle shape. Okay, and again this listing item, third listing item, having value scripting language, that will come with disk shape and having again two different values that will come with square bullets. So see, this is HTML. Now you can see the parent list having disk shape, nested list of this parent list which contain number, again parent list, and in that parent list one more bulleted list comes. So see what happened. First unordered list, then order list, again unordered list, and in unordered list one more unordered list, then again parent unordered list, and that will again contain one more unordered list. So this is called as multi-level list. This is called as multi-level list. I think it is okay now. Okay.